In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Telegram username. We'll keep this simple and clear, and you'll be done in just a moment. We're using Telegram Web, which means you can follow along in any modern browser on your computer. Start by opening your browser and going to web.telegram.org. Log into your Telegram account by following the on-screen prompts. Depending on what you see, you might scan a QR code with your Telegram app on your phone, or you might enter your phone number and confirm. Either way, once you're in, you'll see your familiar chat list. Now look to the very top left corner of the screen. You'll see the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines. Click that to open the side menu. From there, click on Settings. This takes you to your profile and preferences. On the Settings or Profile screen, find your name at the top. Right beneath your name is where your username appears, and it will be displayed in the @username format. That's the handle you can share with others. If you don't see one, it likely means you haven't set a username yet. In that case, that area may be blank or indicate that no username is set. You can create one later if you want, and once you do, it will show up here in the same spot. A quick note to avoid confusion. Your display name and your username are different. Your display name is the name people see in chats and can include spaces and emojis. Your username is a unique handle that starts with @ and doesn't include spaces. It's your public alias on Telegram and is the same across all devices once set. Why this matters? Your username is an easy way for people to find or message you without sharing your phone number. It's also what forms your TME link, such as TME, your username, which you can share on profiles or websites if you choose. Usernames are not case-sensitive, and they typically allow letters, numbers, and underscores. If you're privacy-conscious, remember that having a username lets others search for you by that handle. Your phone number visibility is controlled separately in Telegram's privacy settings, so you can keep your number hidden while still using a username to connect. That's all you need to find it. Open Telegram Web, click the menu, go to Settings, and look right under your name for the @username. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly locate your Telegram username.